What up, good people? What up? What is up? It's your guy Iconic. You can see the reflection. Anyway, you can probably see inside the truck. Don't mind the junk in the back. Alright, so today we are going to upload this video of the truck. This is my 2001 GMC Yukon XL, right? GMC Yukon. And I did this to another car that I had bought and sold, and I don't think I had videoed it, so I'm gonna do it to this. All right, so as y'all can see, the rims and the missing lug nut. Y'all see the conditions of the rim, right? So what we are going to do today is see how well this product does with my rims. So yep, easy off. I bet y'all would have never thunk it, but easy off. We're gonna see how well it do. So let's get right into it. Switch hands, cause I'm a righty, not a lefty, and we gonna go on ahead and spray. Be generous. Be generous. We're gonna let that foam up. Look at them white walls. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. So we're gonna do one rim for now. And we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. I think for the ovens they say let it sit for 15 minutes. But we might let this sit for 5. See what it do. I don't see nothing really happening other than foaming. Take a good look at this one. Take a good look at this rim. Don't know why it's acting so slim. I don't know. Alright, y'all like my singing? Alright, let's do this one too. Alright. It's a white rim. Alright, so now shake the little residue off. Right now we're going bear with me, I'm trying not to cut, edit, or anything. Raw and uncut. So alright, got my trusty dollar store toothbrush that I just picked up today. If you want to know soft, medium, or hard, or firm, or whatever, it's medium. Alright. Good God, I'm too tall to be bending down. Let's see. Maybe I shouldn't be wearing white shoes. All right, let's see what it does to this one. Well, okay, so I was told on another video that if you have tarnished rims from like old brake dust and everything, that it works well on that. And it did for me at once when I bought and sold the car. So I was wondering about if it will do the same for this. Now these rims are just old and they've been through some things. All right. It's black. Now this is what some of y'all toothbrushes look like, because y'all done let y'all teeth get so messed up. Just kidding. But if I'm not, then you know who I'm talking to. Ouch, ouch. Okay, so what's gonna happen, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray the rest of the rim, and I'm this isn't really working out with this toothbrush. No, but I'm gonna spray it, let it sit, and I'm gonna take it to the car wash. Only because I don't have any scrubbing pads with me, and we just gonna see how it turns out in the car wash, for the simple fact that you're not supposed to let it sit on there for a long time because it can damage your rims and all that stuff. So the car wash is down the street, so I'm gonna just go there and we'll see what it do after that. All right, be back in just a minute. All right, and we're back. Look at the rim. I'm gonna screenshot the before and after. Yeah, pretty good. So that was done with Easy Off. All right, like and subscribe. See y'all on the next one.